In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall your deck belt on the John Deere S220. What's up guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. Now our first step to removing this deck belt is going to be getting loose our tension cable right here. So to do that, we have a pin right here that we need to pull out, just like so. And then on the cable, we need to pull out to where it comes up and out of the bracket, and then we can just let that loose. Now that we have the belt tension loose, we can work on getting our belt off of our front engine pulley here. So what we're going to do is take the belt, push it up and through the carrier there on one side. Then we'll move to the other side and do the same thing. Now over here on the right hand side, once again, we're just gonna get this belt and get it pushed up and out, just like that. And then now what we're gonna do is move back here to our tension idler, and we're going to have to loosen the nut on top of this idler with a 15mm ratchet and socket here. We have to loosen this up so that the pulley will come up just a touch so we can get that belt back from behind the holder. You do not have to take the nut completely off, but you do have to have it to where this will raise up so we can get that belt and pull it out from behind the bracket there, just like that. So the holder I'm talking about on our tension idler is this little black piece here, and it is mounted directly to the arm. So once we take that nut loose, then we're able to raise this tensioner idler up to get that belt from behind this holder. Now we've gotten the belt loose from everywhere else. The last thing to do is to get it out of our pulley here. So we are going to pull forward on the belt here and then just make sure and get it up and over this arm, run it out and through, close that down, and then work the belt through our last pulley here, and then we can pull that belt completely out, just like so. Now going back on with the belt, just as easy. We're going to start on the side that we finished with last time. So once we had that new belt, we would want to go ahead and run that through to the other side of our deck. Just like so. So we're gonna start by getting our belt worked around this first idler. You just wanna get the flat side up against this pulley here, and then just start to rotate that, and that'll work that belt in between the barrier and the pulley itself. Then we wanna go ahead and get this belt pulled where both sides are here on our cover. Raise that cover up, then let the belt come through, just like so. Then get our belt set down in between the arm here and our pulley, and then we're simply going to push that belt through until it is tight into our pulley here. So now we're going to be moving over to the right hand side where we're going to pull this belt tight with the pulley. We've just put it in over on the left. The first thing we're going to do is work it past this arm here, and we're going to work it around the pulley here on the right hand side through our other holder here. And then now we're going to be going through our tension idler. Remember, we're going to raise this up, work that belt in, back behind the holder. And then once we've done that, now what we want to do is go ahead and tighten back up on our tension idler here. Like so. And we're going to move to our front engine idler here, go up and over with our belt, push that back through right here in between our two holders. One going down just like that. Then we'll move over to the other side and get that seated as well. Over here on the other side, we'll go ahead and get this pulled tight here. Come up and over our holder. Get that pushed down and in. Just like so. And then lastly here, we want to get our cable set back in place. So we are going to pull back on this cable, set it down through the bracket, push our plastic piece here at the front through the bracket there. And then there's a hole in that bracket on the back side where we're going to put our cotter pin to secure that. Just like so. And then just like that, quick and easy, we can have that deck belt replaced and changed in just minutes on that John Deere S220. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're looking for any John Deere parts at all, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.